Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Eric Roberts here with Play and Sing and Worship the King. We are doing today Reckless Love. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to be on the 5th fret with my capo, and I'm going to show you just how to play the song, how to count the song. It's actually maybe like in 6/8, so that's a little bit different. But this songbook is coming out in about 30 days, or it's already out. So just check the links in the description of this video. You can of course pre-order the book, or you can go ahead and order it on Amazon or on our website, wherever you can get books. Okay, books are fun, and you can get the songbooks. You can get each one of these charts. You can pull this songbook out anywhere, throw it on the table, lead worship 3 or 4 songs. That's the point, and they're all very easy to do. So Reckless Love, I'm a baritone. Okay, I'm a baritone. So welcome into the studio. We're going to make sure every chord on this chart is perfect for the book. That's kind of what this is, like the final testing of these charts to make sure they're awesome and perfect. So I'm a baritone, I'm on 5th fret, and I'm just going to sing through each part of this and see how it goes. It goes something like this. Well, first of all, I'll show you the count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to go all down kind of on a soft, really soft pick. And each one of those slashes that you see, like each one of these little slashes right here are 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I put the little slash right by the C or the D so you see it there. And then each one of those counts for 3 beats. So it would go like this. 1, 2. For I spoke a word, you were singing over me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have been so, so good to me. Okay, and that right there should be good. I don't know why good is capitalized. We're going to get this. So, so good to me. And then, before I took a breath, you breathed your life into me. I don't have to check those words because I think life in me is what it should be. Okay. You have been so, so kind to me. So you get to feel that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And all the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. And oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it, still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh. I think they go to the D. They kind of do E, D, C the whole time. So E minor, D, C. And then, when I was your foe, still your love fought for me. And I think that's where the bands will go like this. They go like, when I was your foe, still your love fought. And then come in there. You kind of do whatever you want, really, actually. You have been so, so good to me. When I felt no worth, you paid it all for me. You have been so, so kind to me. I think we got it. I think the chords are right. Let's go into the chorus again. And all the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. And oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found, leaves the 99. Oh, I couldn't earn it, I don't deserve it, still you give yourself away. That's going to bug me. Still you give yourself away. I wonder if that's it. I wonder if it is give yourself away or if it is gave yourself away. So let's go in here and go Reckless Love lyrics. I want to just check this. Before I spoke a word, you're singing over me. You've been so good to me. Yeah. So kind to me. Oh, the overwhelming, never. Yeah, that's right. Oh, the overwhelming, never ending. You fought for me, you've been good to me. You fought for me, you've been so good to me. When I felt no worth, you paid it all for me. I don't deserve it. You give yourself away. I thought it was gave yourself away, but yeah, I think the lyrics are right. I think I just hear the song in different versions of the song in my head. So I couldn't earn it. I don't deserve it. Still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Oh. And I think I do. That's the lead. So if you wanted to do that, I actually did this, and this probably shouldn't be in this tutorial, but it's just a studio day. Yeah, I think I did this with my band, like. That's kind of a hard chord to do, actually. Yeah, I'll write that out. I'm not going to write that in this book, but I think it'd be cool if you were able to do that. You got to form your chord a little bit different there, but that's just what you do. All right, well, just tell me if you want me to finish that. I mean, I can write that lead out for you guys in Worship the King. But right now, whenever we played it with the youth group, they were like, and it was real easy to just go. It's really, really easy. Yeah. So it's just right there in that scale. And I think that's probably the part of this song that makes it so emotional, or really the hook of this song that made it so popular. Also, the first time I heard this song, I was like, oh yeah, that was good. I was actually at my friend's church, Origins. Now they're not called Origins. But, and I was like, I heard the song live. I mean, I think I'd heard it on the radio. And then it got very controversial. So, but I look at songs a little bit more emotional. So the feeling of this, I got it. I got the feeling of this. And it wasn't even going to get into the lyrics, but we're looking at them. The reckless love of God. Yeah, I mean, I got the emotion of what they were trying to write in that song. And whether you want to sing this song or not, it's up to you. Some people love it. Some people hate it. And it got famous. So think of that. That's so crazy that it could be that polarizing, but yet be so much on the charts. No shadow. This gets low. There's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. That's kind of low, and they always do that. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. And then they go, there's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, freak out on that part or make that part feel weird. It's really just, you could do it simple. If I was leading it, I'd probably go like, there's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down, sky you won't tear down, coming after me. So I would, we got the call. We got to get that, decline that call. That's what I would do. But the feel is still there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And I think this. I think on this chart, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the slashes on here. Duh. There's no shadow you won't. Because you don't need it. In my book, technically, if it's just one chord, that just means it's one slash, okay? And you won't climb up. I think this will be easier. I don't know. What do you think? Let me think. If I don't, yeah, I'll just leave. You know what? I'll just leave them on there. I don't know. It's a little bit different, but it's like each one. I'll leave them on there for now, because that gives you the idea. There's 3 on each one. 1, 2, 3. Shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. 1, 2. You could just do one beat on each one. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. Then you could build it up. There's no shadow you won't light up, mountain you won't climb up, coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down, lie you won't tear down, coming after me. Oh, the overwhelming power. So, yeah, I mean, that part you can just do. You still think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just think that, and you do that. I think this chord chart is right. Got to add the copyrights on there. And Reckless Love. This is, I believe, about the 3rd in this series. So every day we're doing one of these, and then when we get to the end, the songbook will come out. So you can get these song charts. But you can also get charts every day as I'm putting them up singly, and some more videos on this at worshiptheking.com. And if you check that out, let's see, how do I do that? How do I make that happen? Would you just go over to worshiptheking.com, worshiptheking.com, and you would just click on this join. Check this out, join monthly. And now we have this new thing. It's first 7 days, $1. And then if you want to train your whole team, then you can do that. You can actually train your whole team, 29 for 10 users. And you have right now, as we always kind of change our pricing and promotions, but right now it's unlimited for your whole church or ministry or whatever at $49 a month. So check this out. This is great. Come on in and get, like I'm going to be adding each one of these songs each week or each day to the new membership. And I'd love to have you on there. worshiptheking.com. God bless you guys. I will see you in there.